run through. I just wanted to kind of give you a little brief introduction so that you kind of know what you're doing. This is the home page when you put in unleashflorida.com. Right here you would enter the site. For now, I just have this kind of splash page until I get the database completed, and then you could probably see a list of parks here with your geolocation and parks closest to you at that point. So that was just that will be implemented later through the back-end development phase. For now, you can just enter the site by clicking here. And it brings you to the parks page. So I have here just lists of different parks, and if you want more information on one, you can just click on that line, and the menu or the paragraph will drop below. And then if you want to look at another, your park's not here and you want to go to the next page, pagination's down here at the bottom. Click next page. So my internet connection is a little bit slow. It's been lagging all day today, so some of the pages don't load that quickly. But anyways, there's some parks here that are listed. This, for instance, this one's in green and this one's in black. The ones in black do not have links to their personal web pages. I included the personal web page on the ones that were available. So if I wanted to, click on a park that had an address, or a website, I would just open up the park paragraph and then click again, and then it will bring you to their park here. My screen is absolutely humongous, so I've been trying to keep it little, but this is their park for that site, and then you can kind of navigate through their park and get more information. Just to go back to my application, you just hit the back button in the browser. So that concludes the parks area. If you want to look at map, it will bring up a map, and these little red dots are locations of parks. Like, for instance, G is the Bark Central Dog Park. You can click on it and it will bring up this little message board here, and you can get directions directly from using the Google Maps. Didn't want to steer away from Google Maps because they are the best. Kind of learned that when Apple messed up there. So it will bring up the park here. You know how this Google Maps works. So you just put in your current location and then get directions to the park, and then it will, create your own map for you. So to get back to my app, you just hit the back button. And you can get rid of those things by just clicking off to the side, and the little white map thing that was in the way a second ago went away. You can also drag this however which way you want, and if you don't live in Florida, you want to go see other dog parks in the rest of the United States, you just find your area and little red icon, and you can find the dog parks this way, and you always can get directions through that way with the Google Maps. So and then also, if you want to look at a larger map, this will take you right into Google website, and you will see a larger map. Let me open this for you, but it's going to be humongous. So all the, this is the regular dog parks, and then, all this stuff you can just search on your own. So that's the bigger map version. You can change the size here. You know what you're doing. This is pretty general with the Google Map stuff. Trying to hit my back button. My browser's going extremely slow again. Sorry for the delay. See if we can get back. Oh, it looks like it's stuck. Come on. There we go. And then I have the, let me close this back up. Kind of give us a better look. The About page is just basic information about the app and a picture of myself as the developer. And that's about it for the About stuff. If you want to get back to the pretty home page, all you have to do is click on the logo on the top, and it will take you right back. Also, if you want to leave comments for me as far as how the, bug issues or, changes you think I should make or suggestions. The direct link for the page on Facebook is right here. You just click on Facebook and then it'll take you right directly to that Unleashed Florida. It actually was originally Unleashed Florida. So right now it's currently Unleashed. I didn't want to confuse you all, but I originally had scheduled it to be Unleashed Florida and changed the name to Unleashed because I didn't want to be leashed just in Florida. I wanted to unleash myself and be able to travel around the United States looking for dog parks. So that is a little story on the Unleashed Florida sector. But yes, it is unleashed and you are able to look at all the parks in the United States. So that's about it. And that's just a basic run through of the site. Enjoy. Thanks.